Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Colleen the Coach, and today we are diving into a powerful method for weight loss, intermittent fasting using the Omad method, my favorite. Stick around to learn how this simple yet effective approach can help you shed those extra pounds and improve your overall health. So, what exactly is intermittent fasting? Simply put, it's an eating pattern that cycles between periods of fasting and periods of eating. Simple, right? Okay, some of the popular methods, one of my favorites, the 16-8, where you fast for 16 hours and you eat during an 8-hour window period. And then we have the 5-2 method, where you eat normally for 5 days and for 2 days you restrict your calories. Today, we're going to focus on Omad, 1 meal a day. Okay, as I've just said, 1 meal a day. That's exactly what it sounds like, and that's what it stands for. You consume all your daily calories in one large meal within a 1-hour window period, and then you fast for the remaining 23 hours. This method is straightforward and it can lead to rapid weight loss, guys. Okay, simplifying as well. Now let's talk about how we get started with Omad. First, it's essential to transition gradually, guys, especially if you are new to intermittent fasting. My clients, it takes a good 6 weeks. Okay, and then start with the 16-8 before you move on to Omad. And choosing the right time. Your meal is crucial, that 1 hour. Many people prefer having their meal, say, in the evening. Okay, but find out what's best for you. Remember, your one meal should be balanced and nutritious, nutrient dense, including proteins, healthy fats, carbs, and essential vitamins and minerals, guys. You can't cut corners here. And do not forget to stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water, herbal teas, and other non-calorie beverages during your fasting period. Okay, here are some tips for success with Omad. Listen to your body and make adjustments as needed. This is really important. Stay busy, keep active, and keep your mind off food, guys. Focus on healthy eating habits and avoid junk food, guys. That's terrible. Supplements can be beneficial, but seriously, just speak to your healthcare professional before you embark on supplements. I'm all about eating the right food. Of course, there are going to be challenges. Hunger pangs are normal, especially in the beginning, guys. Drink your water, your herbal teas. That will definitely help you manage those hunger pangs. Social situations can be tricky, but with a little bit of planning, you can handle dining out and social events without too much chaos or breaking your fast, guys. This is totally manageable. And to wrap it up, Omad is a powerful tool for weight loss and improving your overall health. It is incredible. Start gradually, focus on balanced nutrition, and listen to your body. I encourage you to give it a try, guys, and see how it works for you. I can promise you will not be sorry. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you found these tips helpful, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and share. I absolutely love listening to your comments. And if you have any questions, please just do reach out. I am right here. Okay, I'd love to see you in the next video, guys. So thank you so much for joining me. Hey, Stella, you want to come say hello? You want to come say hello? Come, come, come. Stella has turned into come. Where's the Stella? Where's the Stella? Where's the Stella? Come, Stella. Where's the Stella? Where's the Stella? Where's the Stella? Sure, hello, Stella. This is a big dog now, guys. Oh, look at you, Stella. Say, look, make a movie. Look, say hello. Hi, movies. Hello. She is, look how big this dog is.